morning, guys. Come with me to Hamilton on a business meeting, guys. So there's me watering my plant. Her name is Beautiful. That's my aloe vera plant, and I'm also sipping on my tea at the same time. I'm talking to her. I'm like, "Good morning, Beautiful. Today I have a business meeting," and so on. So I'm there talking to her, watering her, and yeah, that's me. That's what I do every morning. Yeah, water Beautiful. So then I'm off to my business meeting. So that's me chewing my gum as usual. That's my bad habit. I love to chew gum, to be honest. So I'm there chewing my gum and I'm singing at the same time. You know me, I can't play the music on YouTube because copyright. So I'm there listening to some Chanel Muir, Yamabella. If you know the song, Google it. So then I went to the business meeting. I got a break. So then I'm off to a Jamaican restaurant. So you know me, everywhere I go, I'm going to Google up Jamaican restaurant near me. So then I see Jamrock Irie Jerk pop up. So I'm off to Jamrock Irie Jerk restaurant. So I'm there heading to my car. Yes, I'm heading to the cars because I'm going to go to Jamrock Irie Jerk restaurant, because when I Google it, it pop up, and in Jamrock Irie they have 4.5 star on Google Map. So yeah, I'm like, okay, let's go to this one. I'm reading the reviews. The reviews are good. Yeah, so I'm gonna go there and see what they have on the menu and see how the restaurant's set up and if the food tastes good, so on. But you know me, if the food don't taste good, I'm gonna say it tastes good. Yeah, so back to business now. So I'm heading in my car now. I'm off to Jamrock Jerk restaurant. Yeah, so I'm driving out of the parking lot. Big up Jamaica, it's my Jamaica thing in my car there. Yeah, I'm a proud Jamaican, guys. Proud Jamaican. Yeah, so I'm off to Jamrock Irie Jerk. Yeah, and also Hamilton is so beautiful. So beautiful. I'm not telling any lie. Beautiful. So I'm off there to Jamrock Irie to have something to eat. So there I'm going down one hill, guys. I'm trying to get the little scenery. So we're going down the hill. Yeah. And this man. Yeah, and I'm going down there. Driving down the hill. This man, he passed on his motorbike. And I'm there doing my little thing, my little vlogging. Look at that. Look at that scene, guys. So beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my God. Oh my. If I go here next time, I'm going to park my car close by and walk. So I could go on the sidewalk thing and look over. Yeah, guys. So I'm at Jamrock Irie Jerk. Just reached. Outside look nice. That's their number. So I'm going inside. See what they have on the menu and see what I can have. So then, wow, look at it, so beautiful. So as you enter the restaurant, you see the Jamaican map there. Big up Jamaica 14 Parish. Big up yard. And that airline, it's Air Jamaica, was Jamaican airline, not anymore. Don't own it anymore. So today's soup chicken, it's on the menu there. And so beautiful. This restaurant is so nice. Look at it, well organized, well coordinated, well put together, to be honest. So then they have some escabeche fish there. Look at it, escabeche fish. They have some cake. They have dumpling. They have plantain. You know me a Jamaican. I never say plantain. I say plantain. They have some plantain there. And thing. It's beautiful. Now let me light one of them fish there now, just the truth. Yeah, so in the fridge I have some D&G soda, peanut punch. They have the thing, that's the thing, drink. They have Malta. So big up Robert Nesta Marley, aka Bob Marley, the man who put reggae on the map. It's a big up Bob Marley. Welcome to Jamrock Irie. 3 little birds is on my doorstep, singing sweet song of a melody pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Hey, I'm just there rocking on me. So that's my seat there. Nah, like the restaurant that is set up, well organized, well put together, prettiest thing. Now, since I've been to Canada, at the first Jamaican restaurant I ever go in, I will look. I'm gonna say, yeah. If you're going in a restaurant, you have to buy something for it. Just the looks alone, now the inside is, make you have to spend your money. If I even $5, you have to go in and go spend. True. Just the truth. Yes, so guys, I ordered stew peas. So stew peas, it's like peas with pigtail and white rice, yeah, and fresh veg. So I'm there doing some videoing and I'm waiting on my food. Oh, I got my food. So there's my food. I got my drink, pina colada, virgin. So guys, I have one problem with the food. So with the stew peas, there's not enough peas in it. When you're doing stew peas, you have to have a lot of peas. The vegetable was a little bit. I think the vegetable bring off food more, like bring off the appearance of the food. So if we get more veggie, I make the food pop. And the pigtail, yeah. So then I will give them a 5 out of 10 for the food, to be honest. I have to give my honest opinion. Okay, so I'm on my way home now. So here I'm in traffic. There's a huge traffic on the highway. I'm stuck on traffic there. It was so hot. It was combustible. Oh my God, it was crazy. You hear a honk. Oh my God, it was crazy. So I'm there still in the traffic, taking my little time, being patient. Because you know, in a traffic, you have to have patience. You just have to relax and just move with the flow, you know? Yeah. So I'm on my way home, guys, on the traffic. Barely I move. Yeah, my mom just work with the flow, yeah. So now I'm almost home, and you know me, chewing my gum as usual. I'm here singing some song. I'm listening to Massacre and Steph London, Moments Like These. We will cuss and we break up, and we love our makeup. Ain't nobody no fed up like we. First as you wake up, you might just love your makeup. Ain't nobody me not trust like she. Amount of space where you take up, and my brain it not safe, so me have to tell yourself a cut my be. This rough like sea. Moments like, guys, get used to this. I can't play the people them song due to YouTube and them copywriting, so me I sing it for no guys. Yeah. So my daddy me I play my Steph London and my Massacre, me I rock. Cause you know, so with Fretty is a vibe all the time. When you come around me, it's a vibe. If you come around with a positive, with a negative vibe, you're gonna live with a positive one, right? I'm just daddy I sing because me love music. From me have music, me good. No matter how my day set, from me I play some music and I listen to some music, me good. So there's my fit, guys. I went out for the weekend. So my top is from H&M, my shorts is from Blue Note, my sneakers from Nike, my socks from Nike, and my wig from Amazon, and my bag from Zara, guys. So I want to say a special thank you to each and everyone that watch Fretty World. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.